Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe guys. And if you need to remove or replace crankshaft pulley, also known as harmonic balancer, stay with us. We'll explain what we do guys, how we get it loose. Okay, we'll explain how to remove and replace it. Those sometimes go bad, they can separate, they can develop vibrations, noises as well guys, because there is a rubber bushing between the two components that eventually fails on older engines. You don't need to remove the engine to do that. We simply have it out due to the fact that we'll be making more than hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars guys. And with the engine out, we can show you clearly guys how to do things, how to approach certain situations, where every single bolt and nut is located. So let's explain how to remove, okay, and replace that crankshaft pulley if you need to do that. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So now guys, let's explain, okay, how to get that bolt loose. Most of you guys will try to get it loose and the engine will spin backwards. Okay, first, it most likely will not get it loose. Second, it's not very good to spin your engine backwards. But let's explain now guys. Okay, let's explain what we usually do. We get a socket that size guys, you get an air compressor and an impact gun. That is the only way, easiest way to take those things out. So we pre-loosen ours guys, okay, with the impact, okay, and at that point it should just come loose. It shouldn't be too tight. So as I said guys, impact and an air compressor, it's one of the easiest ways to take that things out. Otherwise you have really hard time. Another thing that you can do is you might need to remove the engine starter, okay, and get a flywheel holder to actually get it loose. But if you want to do it without any special tools, okay, go ahead and do that. Now don't remove the whole bolt guys. Why? Because we need to remove the bolt, the belt first. So just get it loose, okay, and don't remove it. At that point we need to go ahead, okay, and remove our belt, okay, right here, 14 millimeter guys, okay, and we need to get the ratchet. So we'll pre-loosen it. You go, okay, let's put that thing there so it's not in the way. We're going to go clockwise, counterclockwise. It's going to get the slack out of the belt. I'll pull it out. Now we can pull the belt all the way out. Okay, like that. And now we can get that bolt loose. Don't do it before you remove the belt, because you have tension on the pulley and that can, okay, damage things. So that's the bolt. Now you grab that, okay, that crankshaft pulley, and it should be able to come out because it has a key guys. I don't think it's pressed in, so if you grab it with two hands, okay, you can simply pull it out. And that's where even the front crankshaft seal is located, behind that pulley. So if for some reason it is stuck guys, you can get two bolts that fit here and gently screw half a revolution one, then the other one, and alternate, and it will pop out. But you can see this one has no problem coming out guys. So you can see that's how you remove the crankshaft pulley, or also known as harmonic balancer guys. Okay, you can see some stress marks, okay, on the rubber bushing in the middle, but that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.